another episode of the GB Studio with your host, Guy through Benoit. And today we're going to talk about pros and cons about the story, Creative JuiceTm. It's good for you. If you would like to listen to this story, check out my podcast right here in the cards, up here. Yep, right here. Yep, check it out right now. Okay, so should we start with the pro and cons? Let's do it. So we're going to first start with the pros, and the first pro is this story. It's very creative. The reason is I'm actually pretty proud of this because, I just thought of it yesterday. The idea was yesterday.
Or it was a long time ago, I'm not sure.
But it was yesterday, and, I just thought, I was actually pretty bored then. And I thought I wasn't getting that creative. But I thought, what if you can get creative by drinking a juice? And yeah, that's how I thought of this. It's pretty cool, and I really like it. Number 2 is you can understand the story pretty well. Only some parts, actually. Like this part, she's just really
Tired and not that motivated.
That is a reason you can understand it. And there's even some more parts, but that's the only part I can really explain right now. You can't really understand the whole story, but some parts of it you can. The third pro, is you can understand Lana's personality pretty well. She is very creative, which, how do we know that? Well, her mother. She said this.
I couldn't bear to see you just laying in the couch. I know that when you are tired and restless, you usually think of great ideas.
And you go make them straight away. Which also brings us to the next reason. She has very good ideas, and she's also very creative, which
You just saw right here.
And she's very knowable because she said 1 second she can be nice, but the other second she can be a total demon. She's very knowable. So then she was obedient and she sat on the chair next to her mom. That's her personality, really. She's very noble. The con, now we're in the cons. The first con is you can't really understand what the juice is when her mom is explaining. The main reason was because there was 2 meanings. It is right here. Yeah, right here.
So I gave you the juice, which I bought, but I didn't know it was creative juice.
It takes all your ideas in your head and makes you make them. It searches for them and makes you realize it. Yeah, there's 2 meanings. It's not that reasonable. It's very wordy. So yeah, that's the first con. Second con is the mother suddenly changes personality. Now she's very talkative and she's very
Upbeat.
I would say that's the accent I'm saying it in, because earlier she was very nice and sweet. And see, look, Lana, come to the table. I have some juice for you. Mom called out softly. But here she was very upbeat, so that's a change of personality. And the ending is a mess. Maybe I was thinking of making her go to the bedroom and then making her think the thoughts. How could you stand there so long? Because she's really standing long here. She's standing with her mom a long time, and that's how it is. Yeah, so that's my pros and cons for the story. Hope you enjoyed it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I really tried to cut it down because it was really long. You're lucky I saved you. Come back Sunday 2 p.m. for more. And like I said, I hope you love this video. Bye! Better off. I'm gonna find my way.